Hi, I'm Mr. New Jersey. After running this channel for just over a year, I thought it would be fun to do a trivia game to figure out how well you know New Jersey. This quiz will have 10 questions, with topics ranging from geography to history to the state's tourist attractions to politics and the Jersey Shore. Each of the answers can be found in at least one of my videos so far, but don't be worried if you haven't seen my videos, since the questions are all still general knowledge about the state that you may know the answers to anyway. I'll give you 10 seconds after each question before I reveal the answer, but feel free to pause if you want more time. Without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. What is New Jersey's largest museum? The correct answer is the Newark Museum, which is fittingly located in the state's largest city, Newark. It's an incredibly diverse museum covering science, history, art, and lots of things in between. Question number 2. Though the New Jersey Turnpike and Garden State Parkway are the most famous toll roads in the state, there is actually a third major toll road in New Jersey. What is that road? If you said the Atlantic City Expressway, you are correct. The Garden State Parkway runs from the Jersey Shore to the New York suburbs. The Jersey Turnpike runs from the New York suburbs to the Philadelphia suburbs, and the Atlantic City Expressway runs from the Philadelphia suburbs to the Jersey Shore, meaning that the state's three main toll roads essentially form a triangle between different regions. Question number 3. What are the two houses of the state legislature called? The correct answers are the General Assembly and the Senate, the latter of which is often referred to as the State Senate to distinguish it from the U.S. Senate. Question number 4. Which two European countries colonized New Jersey before the British? The correct answers are the Netherlands and Sweden. Question number 5. Alice Paul, a suffragette and feminist born in Mount Laurel, New Jersey, famously campaigned for two constitutional amendments during her lifetime. One was the 19th Amendment, which granted women the right to vote in the U.S. What was the other amendment? Hint: as of 2018, it hasn't been passed, so it isn't numbered. The amendment is known by the content that it conveys. If you said the Equal Rights Amendment, you would be correct. Alice Paul wanted a constitutional amendment that would guarantee men and women equality under the law, but she died without seeing it get passed. We're halfway through the quiz now, so if you haven't gotten many right up to this point, here's your chance to catch up. Question number 6. Which two New Jersey cities once served as capitals of the United States? The answers are Trenton and Princeton. Congress moved around a lot after the Revolutionary War to avoid protesting veterans in Philadelphia who they hadn't paid. Trenton and Princeton were two cities that they ended up staying in for part of that period. Question number 7. What point has the highest elevation in New Jersey? If you said, I don't know, High Point, you would be correct. High Point Mountain is the highest elevation in New Jersey, and it is preserved by High Point State Park. Question 8. How many New Jersey towns have the word Wildwood in their name? Bonus points if you can name them all. The correct answer is 4, which are Wildwood, North Wildwood, Wildwood Crest, and West Wildwood, which are all clumped together on a few islands in the Jersey Shore region. Question number 9. What two states does New Jersey have a land border with? If you said New York and Delaware, you would be correct. New Jersey and New York share a long land border across the northern part of the state, and New Jersey and Delaware share some tiny land borders because the Army Corps of Engineers artificially expanded land from the coast of New Jersey out into Delaware waters. Alright, last question. Is the Statue of Liberty actually in New Jersey? If you said no, or kind of, but not really, you would be correct. The Statue of Liberty is located on an island that belongs to New York, even though the water surrounding that island belongs to New Jersey. I hope you've enjoyed this quiz. Feel free to tell me how you did in the comments, and thanks for playing. If you enjoyed this video and want me to do another quiz in the future, let me know in the comments, and tell me if you have any suggestions for improvements. Should I give more or less time? Was it too hard or too easy? Let me know so I can improve. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I release new content. Thank you, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.